how to log into ALDI mobile account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with. Here I am going with Google Chrome, and on the search URL, type in aldimobile.com.au. Then press enter on your keyboard. You will be taken to the official website of ALDI. Here, if you don't have an account yet, then you can simply go to activate button from the upper right corner of this interface, then follow some instructions and you will have an account. Now, if you already have an ALDI mobile account, simply click on login button from the upper right corner of this interface. Then you'll be taken to login page. As you can see on your interface, you will be asked to enter your mobile or account number and your password. So enter your correct mobile or account number under the text field that says mobile or account number. And under that, enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password, there is an option as forgot password, and that will take you to next page, help you out to recover your account or password. Now, once you're done typing in your mobile or account number and your password, click on login button, and on the next page, you will be successfully logged into your account if you have entered the correct login information. And that's how you can log into ALDI mobile account. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.